Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. Out here at the house, my brother and I were working on it, and noticing that the sour cherries are really getting close to being fully ripened. Got a couple of really nice ones here, and most of the tree is looking pretty good too. Got a lot of sour cherries on here. The red currants are looking great in the back too. So I think within maybe like a day or two, I'm gonna come in here and just pick all this stuff, pick all the currants too. And then we're gonna be making some jam. So just gonna be a short video here, but hopefully everybody's getting some good spring fruit or early summer fruit wherever you are. And if you haven't planted a tree yet, you know what they say, best time to plant one was however many years ago, and the next best time to plant one is today. So get on it if you haven't got one yet. I love the fruit trees. It's just so awesome. You have to do so little work and you get so much reward. You could spend a whole day out here picking the fruit, listening to the birds chirping. Nice downpour today, so the rain just cleaned everything off nicely. It's really good. So anyway, that's it for today. Hope you guys are all well. See you in another video soon. Thanks everybody. Bye.